Be careful. 3 things to watch out for when photographing cats. 1. No flash, especially for a dark-haired cat like a black cat, because without light, it will look like a black blob, but be careful, using a flash is not good for the eyes because it takes in more light than a human, and it can cause hypoelectric emissions, so use sunlight as much as possible. 2. Be careful when photographing with plants and fruits. I understand that you want to take pictures of cute cats in various scenes, but please don't take pictures with plants that are dangerous for cats, or put fruits on cats' bodies. Figs can be dangerous to cats, so please do your research and make sure you're shooting with something safe. 3. Don't dress your cat in clothes, or wear a coat. This is also a good idea unless there is an unavoidable reason, such as illness, because it can be stressful for the cat to groom its fur, it can feel restricted, and its clothes can get caught as it moves around. You can't use Cupman containers instead of Eliza Pescara's, you know. Subscribe to our channel, please.
NANI? した。
you